Hello, I just wanted to get up here and give Renewal by Andersen the recognition that they deserve. I had some windows installed. Directly behind me is my window in the dining room area, and I had two more windows in the basement installed and a patio door. What I liked about Renewal is that they weren't in it to make a quick buck, but they let me know what had to be fixed before they can install, let's say, my patio deck door. I had some rotten wood there that had to be uh, changed and completed before they could install that door because the door was very heavy. He let me know you don't want to, put this up here because this door is heavy. Did I want to spend that money to get it done? No, but you might as well do it correct the first time because there's no need to put something in there that was not going to hold up. And then later on, I would have to pay more money. So, in order not to suffer any consequences, I just went on ahead and do what I had to do. So, I was impressed. They cleaned up behind themselves very well. They had their own vacuum cleaner, their own broom and dustpan, and they cleaned up. My neighbors across the street told my husband, "Tell your wife I'm jealous. She got the windows before us." Well, no need to be jealous. If you want some windows, Renewal can give you some new windows if that's what you would like. Then directly on my other side, my neighbor said, asked the installer who are they with, and they told them. So Renewal, you're gonna have some more business in here, I believe. But I just want to say that I am impressed. I am a satisfied customer. When your grandchildren give compliments to the installer, then they must be pretty good. My grandson, which is 11, and my granddaughter, who's 5, they told the installers, "You guys did a good job." So, with that being said, I still have some more windows to get completed in my home, but I am impressed. And I just want to say, y'all have a good day.